Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Husnain Arif, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the best website hosting service providers. And as you already know that there are lots of them, so in today's video we are going to cover about the Namecheap. Yes, the Namecheap is very well known domain name registrar providing domain name registration and web hosting based in Phoenix, Arizona, United States. And it is considered as one of the best budgeted hosting providers. And when we talk about any domain name registration providers, then people always come up with one of the best names, and that common name among all of them is Namecheap. So, so let's talk about the number of services the Namecheap are offering. Well, alongside domain name registration, they are also offering many other services as well. And among those services, the website hosting services is one that has really ranked among the top in the past few years. Namecheap are offering many different services alongside the domain name registration, and the top services that they are offering right now are considered like the WordPress web hosting and the other hosting services that they are offering. Their rates are very economical. They provide you with budgeted web hosting services, and especially for those who are just trying out their bit in the digital world and just want to start their own new business or just want to start their own new domain blog. Namecheap is the best place to go for. They provide you with best economical plans that you can choose among, and in today's video we are just going to cover almost all of them. So if you visit the Namecheap website, and at this current point of time the deals they are offering includes fast VPN, cyber insurance, .NET registration, private email, site maker, and there are lots of other products available as well. So let's talk about the web hosting services that they are offering. Well, they have different plans for website hosting, and if you talk about the website plans, their most popular plans are called Stellar, Stellar Plus, and Stellar Business. Well, among these plans, the basic thing that they are offering is 99.9% uptime, a free content delivery network, a supersonic network that can really boost up the speed of your website, and they also provide you auto backup and cloud storage as well. So the plans are really great. They are economical. If you are going to try out their yearly plan or 2 yearly plan, the per month cost automatically reduce. And if you talk about the Stellar, as you can see that currently they are offering at $3.88 per month, and if you go to yearly package, that $3.88 goes way below to $1.88 a month. Yes, you can save 52% on first year if you start your web hosting with Namecheap. So similarly, if you move ahead with Stellar Plus or Stellar Business, they are offering you 49% and 50% discount on the web hosting services as well. So as you can see, the features are very competitive and they are up to the mark among the very best in the market. They provide you with the 99.9% uptime. They offer you free SSL certificate. They provide you 24/7 live support. They also provide you WordPress and cPanel, and there are lots of things to discuss about. And if we talk about the technical specification, what they are offering, well, the basic Stellar, Stellar Plus, and Stellar Business plans technical specification are right here. As you can see that there are different sort of disk space, bandwidth, uptime, the number of park domains, the subdomains, the backup, the cloud storage. Well, their packages look really awesome, and they are considered as one of the best budgeted hosting service providers at the time. And this is basically the share hosting plan. They are all, if you have a website on WordPress, or if you wanted to start your website on WordPress and looking for a budget plan, then they also have WordPress hosting services as well. Yes, the Easy WordPress hosting services are called as Easy WordPress Starter, Easy WordPress Turbo, and Easy WordPress Supersonic. The plans are very great. The basics start with $4.8 a month, and Turbo start with $8.88, and the Supersonic start with $13.88. And what's more, they are offering you 1 month free service. Yes, if you sign up right now, you are going to get your first month free. And as was the case with the share hosting plan, if you go with yearly plan, you are going to get a good discount of from 29% to 50% on their different plans. And if you're talking about the WordPress hosting, well, with the WordPress hosting, it's all about speed optimization, and they are offering you the very best in the market. And if we talk about the number of websites that you can host and the number of bandwidth, the monthly visitors that you can have, all the three plans have great numbers. But importantly, if you are a WordPress site user, the things that you must look into are the Easy WordPress Cache plugin. They provide you with that. They provide you with free content delivery network. They offer you a free positive SSL certificate. All these things really count a lot, and they are really tailor made to make your WordPress website go super fast. They have a great support, 24/7 support available. If you have any problem, any kind of issue migrating your WordPress sites or anything related to your WordPress site, they are ready to provide you with that. Other than that, they also offer reseller hosting as well. You can choose their reseller hosting plans, and you can resell these hosting plans to other people as well, depending upon if you are thinking about starting your own web hosting services. Well, Namecheap provides you with that opportunity as well. You can select among their different plans, and you can see the technical specification, the number of domains allowed, the number of hosted domains, the number of subdomains, and what's more, the Namecheap are so sure about their services that they are offering 30 days money back guarantee, which you also think that it's not something that everyone is going to offer you. Yes, no question asked. If after 30 days you are not satisfied with the performance, you can easily get your money back. Believe me, if they are saying that they are offering 30 days money back guarantee, they are so sure about their services, and indeed they are. Similarly, they also offer VPS hosting as well. They have different VPS hosting services with different VPS specs, and you can choose among the very best that you like. Similarly, you can also get the dedicated server hosting as well. If you need dedicated servers, then you can choose their services as well. So, this is all about the Namecheap, and believe me, this is not just a domain name registration anymore. They are offering the best digital products available in the market, and their prices are really good, budgeted, economical, and technical specs are super great, great customer support. So all in all, a great place to start off. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel. Thank you.